What's up, y'all? Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be dyeing my hair purple. I don't know what I'm going to do. I voted on my Instagram, or I did a poll on Instagram to see if I should have it pastel or dark purple. Dark purple one, but I think I'm going to split my hair in the middle and do half pastel and half dark purple. Hopefully this works. I don't know if it will, but let's hope for the best. All right, so step one, you're going to need purple dye. I'm using this BIGEN. So I have two mixing bowls. I'm gonna take the dark purple, the purple hair color. I'm gonna put some more. All right, that's in the first mixing bowl. And then for the pastel color, I'm gonna take the purple. I'm gonna put it decent amount in there. All right. So I got about that much in the big container this is for the dark purple, and then about this much for the pastel. To make it pastel, I'm gonna take some conditioner. This is like some cheap conditioner I bought from Target. I think it's like $6. And then I'm gonna pump a lot of it. And for the white one, I'm gonna pump just a few pumps. So I don't want it to be this dark purple. It's super dark. And we just mix them together. This is very dark, so I'm gonna need a lot more conditioner. Okay, so I basically had to start all over because this thing is really pigmented. So if you get this, if you use this color, put like a drop. Only put a drop. So this is now gonna be the dark purple, and then I had to wash this out, and I'm just gonna put like a drop now, because this is gonna be my pastel. Like that much. I had to open up a whole other bottle of conditioner. So now I'm using this cheap one. And for the pastel color, I'm also using this stick to mix it up. Much better, y'all. See? That's the color we want. Yeah, only use drop. I don't know what I was thinking. I wasn't really thinking. It's like a lavender pink, pastel, lavender, I don't know. All right, it took me a minute to mix those things properly, but basically, the more white you add, like the more conditioner you add, the lighter it will be, the more purple color you add, the darker it will be. So here's the final two colors that I got that I'm gonna do. This will be the dark purple pastel. I don't really know what side I'm gonna do. I don't really care. Yeah, so as I was saying, so you're gonna take your hair, or I'm gonna take my hair, and I'm gonna just divide it in the middle. So I think I'm gonna put the dark purple on this side. I don't know why I was tapping my head like that. All right, here we go. All right, I'm gonna take these gloves off and then put some other gloves on, and then put the pastel color on the other side. Part 2. And then got some new gloves, and I'm just gonna start slapping on it. This looks low-key pink. This is not lavender. This looks pink, I feel like. Well, too late now. Color is completely in the hair. I feel like this does not look, this doesn't look pastel purple. This looks like a pink. Anyway, the directions on the bottle say to leave on for 25 minutes. I don't know. I'm gonna leave it on for 25 minutes and rinse it out, and I'll be back. I just rinsed my hair. Use the old t-shirt. Let's see what it looks like. Huh. I'm digging it. I think it looks pretty cool. I wish the color would have took more to the root, but you know, okay. Look at me out here being a trendsetter. All right, I see you. I might wear like a fro or something today. I don't know. I don't know. You know, I don't know. So this is it. I'm gonna insert my photo when it's like dry. I'm digging it. I feel like it looks pretty cool. Gives me character. Let me just get a haircut. What? Braids and plaits. All right, y'all. Peace. Follow me at TylerNoel_ on Instagram and Twitter, and then TylerNoel_ on TikTok. Peace.